Hi, it's Lisa Wentz with Family Matters Law Group. This video is intended to give information to unmarried fathers about their rights pertaining to their kids in the state of Florida. So in Florida, when a mom and a dad have children together and they're not married, the dad does not automatically have any rights to the child or the children. That's true even if your name is on the birth certificate. Under our natural guardian statute, moms are initially provided all of the decision-making rights and all of the rights to time sharing with the children. So for you to obtain your rights or establish yourself legally as the father, you have to file something called a petition for paternity. So that can be a little confusing because typically when we talk about paternity, we're talking about DNA test or genetics. This is not about genetics. It's not about a DNA test. It's about your legal relationship to the child. And until a petition for paternity is filed, you do not have a legal relationship to the child. Sometimes I get asked, well, I got put on child support through the Department of Revenue. What does that mean? Well, establishing paternity through a Department of Revenue action almost always is only establishing your responsibility to pay child support. It's not establishing your rights to make decisions for the child or to see the child. In order to do that, you have to file your own petition for paternity. So once you have filed your own petition for paternity, the tables shift and it becomes almost a presumption that you're going to get substantial, if not equal, rights to the mom in most instances. Now, there are definitely exceptions to that, as at the end of the day, who's going to make decisions for the child and where the child is going to spend time is always going to be based on the best interest of the child. So we have to take those on a step-by-step basis. But it's really important for dads to know that if they haven't ever gone to court and established themselves as the legal parent, they do not have time-sharing rights and they don't have decision-making rights. So even if you've had a long-term kind of informal custody arrangement with the mother of the child, if the mom then decides that she doesn't want to follow through with that custody arrangement anymore, then there's not much you can do to enforce it. So if you find yourself in the position of being an unmarried father, we are happy to help. Hopefully, if you're watching this video, you've gained a little bit of education and knowledge, and if you have more questions, feel free to get in touch with us for a free consultation.